Good morning, children. We were reading the story, the thief story from supplementary reader book Footprints Without Feet. And this was the story of a thief, Hari Singh. And the narrator of the story is the same thief himself. There are two characters in the story. Hari Singh, who took a new name every time he robbed someone. And Anil, who was a writer who earned money by fits and start. At times he wrote for magazines and got the money. At times he got his book published and was happy to earn some money. Till now in the story we know that Hari Singh met Anil where there was a wrestling match going on, and Hari Singh says that I tried to flatter him by saying that he himself looked like a wrestler, and we started talking and I gave a very convincing smile to him. Generally, I plan my robbery in this way. First, I gained the trust of people, and this was an easy target. This man, honest man, simple, easygoing person, Anil, he was an easy target for me. So he says that I had planned that I would flatter him, he would start trusting me, then I would work for him. So he asked for work. Then Anil said that if he could cook, then of course he can keep him. So he said, he lied again that he could cook, but the meal that he cooked that day was given to dogs, could not be eaten by anyone. So Anil asked him to leave, still he did not. He gave him his most appealing smile. This is the fake smile he is referring to. And then again Anil asked this boy of 15 years old, to be with him, and Anil would teach Hari Singh how to cook. So Hari Singh has described that Anil was a simple, easygoing person. He kept on worrying about his next check, but when he earned, he spent money lavishly on friends, enjoyment and all. So every day after taking the breakfast and all, he used to go for buying the daily supplies, and he would make a profit of a rupee a day every day. Apart from that, he had done nothing in his line of business. His line of business is definitely robbing. Anil was such a kind fellow. He trusted Hari Singh completely, had given him the keys of the main door. He could go and come anytime. And on top of that, Anil also taught Hari Singh how to read and write, how to count numbers, everything, and make him a literate person. Hari Singh thought that Anil is helping me to become an educated person, so there will be no limit to what I could achieve. He's talking in a way. So he's thinking in his line of business only what he could achieve. He thought that today I'm able to rob people this way, by making them trust me completely. If I know how to read, write and all that, what kind of robbery, stealing and cheating I could do. That much only he thought. He did not think that education can give him something more than this, what he cannot even think right now. So what happened one day, Anil got his book published and was very happy, got some money that day. So again, Hari Singh saw that money with Anil and thought that I had not done any kind of cheating. I'm out of practice. So what I had come here for, let me do that. He started doing his work. We had read that when Anil was asleep, he made up a plan that I'll take away the money, run and catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow, and did the same. He took that money from Anil's bed, under the bed, under the mattress. Searched the notes, found them, opened the door and went out. He had those 600 rupees when he counted in 50s, and he says that, oh my God, with this money I can live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. So we started our story from there. Now let's study what else. Read what happens next. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life. He is definitely a thief. He says, I never bought a ticket, but dashed straight to the platform. I'm sorry. So he dashed straight to the platform. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. He could just step onto the train in one of the compartments and get in. The train had still to pick up speed, and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages. But I hesitated. This but is something that has brought about a change in this man. But I hesitated. For some reason I can't explain. So he's not able to explain himself how he explained it to others. For some reason I can't explain. And I lost the chance to get away. Although he had complete chance to board the train and get away and be lost forever, and Anil would never come to know who he was from where he had come. So he lost that chance. He said, I myself hesitated and I didn't do that. Why I didn't do, I cannot explain this. So some change has occurred in Hari Singh. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing, so I did not know what to do. I was standing on a deserted platform. I had money with me. I did not know what to do, how to spend the night. And he says I had no friends, believing then that friends were more trouble than help. Believing friends were more trouble, because if there had been friends, if I'm not caught, those friends can tell what my real name is, who am I, and where have I gone. They can supply all this information to the police and the cops who are after me. So friends were more trouble than help. The question can come, the answer will be that. And I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. People will say, what am I? I do not have any baggage, any clothes, anything, and so much of money. So I did not want to make anyone curious about staying at those small hotels near the station. The only person I really knew well was the man I had robbed. Maybe for the first time, Hari Singh's conscience has pricked him. That the man whom you really knew well and who was trying to help you out in changing your life, who was the only person you can call a friend, was the man you have robbed. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. In my short career as a thief, very short career, he's of 15 years of age, no? I had made a study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. So he had studied the faces of people who must have lost their belongings, must have been robbed. The greedy man showed fear. The one who is in a greedy man is always wants more. So he shows fear of losing things. The one who wants more cannot accept anything less. So he is afraid of losing. Greedy man showed fear. Rich man showed anger. Rich man had acquired all that out of his hard work. He is very angry when he has lost something. The poor man who has no option always shows acceptance. The poor man showed acceptance. But I knew that Anil's face when he discovered the theft would show only a touch of sadness. Not because of the loss of money, not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. I knew I had robbed so many kinds of people, But this man, Anil, I knew he would never cry for the loss of money because he lives a life of fits and starts. That means at times he has and he enjoys his life, at times he doesn't have anything and he is tensed. So I know he'll not cry for money, but he will definitely be sad that he trusted me so much. I found myself in the Maidan and sat down on a bench. Maidan, Hindi word only. The night was chilly. It was early November and light drizzling, light rainfall. Light drizzle added to my discomfort. Soon it was raining quite heavily. My shirt and pajamas stuck to my skin and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. So rain is occurring, it's drizzling, and even cold wind is blowing. So he got wet in the rain. So if he has got wet, something else also would have got wet. What is it? The notes he has. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. Clock tower, people of Alwar know very well. The clock showed midnight. I felt for the notes. Where are the notes? They were damp from the rain. Anil's money. This was not his own money. So he says it was Anil's money, not mine. For the first time, he has thought something good. In the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. But now, I had it all. Somebody speaking to himself. You are talking to your own conscience. This is going on with Hari Singh. So now I had it all. I couldn't cook his meals, run to the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentences anymore. So he is missing certain parts of his daily life, certain things that he would miss. What are all these? I couldn't cook his meals every day now. I would never go to the bazaar to get whatever he needs or learn to write whole sentences anymore. Then he remembers whole sentences. Anil was teaching me and Anil was educating me, teaching me how to write and read. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. I completely forgot about getting educated because of the efforts of Anil. So in the excitement of the theft, I completely had forgotten about that. Whole sentences, that means being literate, I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. Yes, I would not be able to cheat people in a better way. No, now he's thinking in a different way. Okay, his line of thoughts has changed. He's not thinking I could do a better robbery. No, I could cheat people in a better way. He's thinking these sentences, this education can one day bring me more than few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal and sometimes just as simple to be caught. Those who are thief, they are never afraid to be caught because they know they are doing wrong. One day they might be caught also. But so it's really a simple matter to steal and simple to be caught, but to be a really big man, a clever and respected man. I repeat this statement, clever, one who understands the difference between what is right, what is wrong. And respected man in a society. A respected man is the one who works hard and earns his living himself. Self-respect is most important for a respected man. So, to be a really big man, clever and respected man was something else, was something right now I could not even think of. I should go back to Anil, I told myself. If only to learn to read and write. Let's change my life even if he catches me. Let's go back. Anil was trying to change my life and I broke his trust. So, I have not done something good. For the first time, his conscience pricked him. So he realized his mistake, that I was going on a wrong track. I hurried back to the room, feeling very nervous. Back to the room, Anil's room. Feeling very nervous. for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. By mistake, you took a pen from someone's bag. Okay, it's easy, you have taken. Later on, you can throw it anywhere. It's very difficult if you're keeping and you're caught. So he says it's easy to steal, but much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. That person doesn't come to know it had been stolen and be returned. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway in clouded moonlight. Anil was still asleep. I crept is creeping, slowly moving. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. I could feel he was sleeping and I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and again I slipped. I kept those notes under the mattress once again. I awoke late next morning to find when I got up, I found that Anil had already made the tea. He stretched out his hand towards me. He gave me something, stretching out your hands. There was a 50 rupee note between his fingers. My heart sank, thinking, has he caught me? I thought I had been discovered. No, but there was something else. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you'll be paid regularly. So Anil was paying me 50 rupees for the work of a cook or whatever as a servant I was doing. He says, I made some money yesterday and now onwards you'll be paid regularly. My spirits rose. I was happy that he has not come to know that I was a thief. I tried to steal and rob him only. But when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. This means maybe Anil has understood that these notes were taken and kept back. So today we will start writing sentences, he said. He knew. That means he knew I had robbed the money. I tried to break his trust. But neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. The wet notes clarified that he knew the truth. Neither his lips spoke anything about it, neither his eyes showed anything regarding that. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way. This was not a smile, a fake smile, a smile to flatter somebody. And the smile came by itself without any effort. That means Hari Singh, who always changes the names, had become a reformed man, a changed person who had realized his mistake of breaking the trust of a noble man, Anil, an honest, simple, hardworking person, Anil. So this time, Anil did not hand me over to the police also because he had seen me changing. So a man, Anil, who changed a robber, who made him realize his mistake without any lecture, without a word, only with his attitude. This is my story, a thief's story. Did you understand? So in the next part, we will discuss the question answers as well as the extra questions that I give you. Maybe we can discuss the question answers here itself. What are Hari Singh's reactions to the prospect of receiving an education? Do they change over time? Compare, for example, the thought. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. With later, when he says whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal. And just as simple to be caught. But to be a really big man, clever and respected man was something else. What makes him return to Anil? He has understood the very behavior, attitude of Anil, whom he was going to deceive. Number one, he has understood the importance of being a respected man he has understood, even if I get, earlier he used to think, if I get educated in this line of robbery, I could do big robberies, I can act very clever, I can cheat billionaires. He used to think this way. But when he really got educated and lived with Anil, he says whole sentences, that means being literate, being educated, can give me a respectful life. Right? Can give me a respectful life, respect in society, self-dependence. I'll be able to earn my own living with my hard work. There'll be no need to do this kind of job where everybody is after me, which is not at all a respected job in the society. I can never have my head held high if I do this. So later on he understood whole sentences could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. That more than money is the respect in the society, the self-dependence he would get. So what makes him return to Anil? This thought that Anil was trying to give me something which was more valuable than money made him return back to Anil. Did you get it? Yes. Why does not Anil hand the thief over to the police? Do you think most people would have done so? In what ways is Anil different from such employees? I want you also to think over this. And meanwhile, I'll also explain it to you. You have to write your own answer. Why does not he hand him over to the police? Because he could see Hari Singh, a reformed man, a changed person now, who was no more a thief, who broke the trust of other people, who deceived other people and cheated others. Handing him over to the police was not the solution according to Anil. Yes, do you think most people would have done so? Most people would not have done what Anil did. Most people would have handed Hari Singh to police because they would have thought in this way that he has cheated once, maybe he has returned the money, again he can do so. People are like that. But Hari Singh became a changed man only because of the attitude of Anil only. That he wanted to give me something which will be useful for me for the whole life. Okay, so Hari had realized his mistake and Anil knew that. Anil knew that Hari has realized his mistake. That's why I did not ask him. Nobody asked him. He has returned the money. He has himself, he has come back. So Anil wanted to give him a chance to become an honest, educated man so that he can leave his habit of robbing and lead a happy life. In what ways is Anil different from such employers? Anil wanted to change Hari and Hari's life. In this way, he never thought of the money that had been taken. He only thought of the person who had come back. His money had not come back. Hari Singh had come back. He had come back to life now. He would no more be a thief. Such people are really great. So I'll be giving some extra questions that you have to write on your own. My dear children, the answers I'm getting these days are copied from the internet or from the reference books. I request all the children to write their own answers and send the work to me. That would be appreciated. Please. Thank you. Have a nice day.